Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kind out show me video. Remember to subscribe. Now share. No way me notification bell no. Send the video be a better on Sabeka. We say be okra soup. Yes, started. Where your protein with the beef season aka home. Salt to taste. All pepper season. All purpose wet vegetable season. With the little water ka ho. Ana mix stock no eka ho. Menu akotodwe no esan se na eye den. With the blended onion aka ho. Fresh tomatoes wakata so na de sija so amanesima. Tebia wo ha no wa check eden ahwe. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Training toast na ye mra na wagi na wakwa kotwi ana wa blend. Uwia no be hwe gumu back. Emra we yesa no na wo de wo okro no so ede esija so. We ya ayoyo ni okro. We ya blended tomatoes na we ya men. Emra we yesa no eso me sure say nkruma ne wa yoyo no nyina esija so a ehu. By so din so ka ho. Are you ready now? Dear see in chain. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. If you are not Nkwan na ben pen we share nkruma na eden egumu. No one mixing it together. Are you ready? No what tray, no what serve. Me puma choosing the kind I will share my video. Remember to subscribe. Now what share. Now what like it. No one me notification bell no. Send me the video be a better one sapeka. Me here na me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our okra soup recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.